Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essential KYC documents: passport, proof of address, and the bank card or e-wallet you'll use. Once done, register on Olymp Trade and pick Demo first if you want practice. Otherwise, select a real account and your account currency, USD or SAR. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication and set basic risk limits so your account is protected. This matters because verification speeds up deposits and withdrawals. Immediate verification reduces payment rejections and keeps your trading workflow uninterrupted. Once your account is ready, focus on the platform. Locate the asset list, chart area, and order panel. Practice selecting expiration times for fixed-time trades or setting stop-loss / take profit for forks / CFDs. Use one or two indicators, moving averages and RSI, to confirm entries and combine them with support and resistance zones. Make sure to test strategies on Demo with position sizing rules like 1-2% risk per trade, and run several consecutive trades to check edge and drawdown before moving to real funds. When you're ready to fund, deposit using your chosen method and confirm that verification is complete to avoid holds. Once funded, place trades using clarified entry rules and manage exits with stop-loss or fixed-time expiration. Monitor positions actively and take profits or cut losses as planned. For withdrawals, follow platform prompts and use the same verified method where possible. If something goes wrong, payment rejected or account hold, recheck documents, retry another method, and contact support with the transaction ID as your primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.